Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Google Meet audio issues while presenting screen on PC. So if you also want to fix Google Meet audio issues while presenting screen on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So whenever you're attending the meeting in Google Meet, you might encounter the audio issues while presenting screen. Solving this problem is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is look at bottom. Make sure your microphone is turned on. You can see over here right now my microphone is not turned on. So you might be facing the issues because your microphone is not turned on. So make sure to turn on the microphone. In order to turn it on, simply click on the microphone. Now after the microphone has been turned on, your problem might be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is click on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like change layout, full screen, open picture in picture, etc. What you have to do is click on the last option, that is settings. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. At left, you'll be able to find the options for audio, video, general, captions, reactions. Make sure audio option is selected. Now over here, you'll be able to find the options for microphone and speaker. First of all, what you have to do is click on the option microphone. Now you might be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is click on the option that is suitable for you. That might be the built-in microphone or any external microphone that you're using. After that, what you have to do is click on the speaker option that you can see right over here. Now you might be able to find several options over here. Make sure to click on the option that is suitable for you. If you're using headphones, make sure to click on that option. If you're using the built-in speaker, make sure to click on that option. Now after you select the correct microphone and speaker, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Google Meet audio issues while presenting screen on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.